Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. So in this video, we are going to discuss Leetcode problem of the day, and today's problem is count of matches in tournament, and it is an easy level problem. So the problem is very straightforward, and you just have to follow what the problem says here, and at the end we have to figure out the number of matches played. So they have exactly said if the number of teams is even, the number of matches played will be n by 2 and the n by 2 teams advance to the next round. Similarly, when the number of teams is odd, then one team advances in the next round. So the number of matches will be n minus 1 by 2 and n minus 1 by 2 plus 1 teams advance to the next round. So basically n minus 1 by 2 will be equivalent to the floor value of n by 2 here, right? And the number of teams is different in both of the cases. So basically what I am trying to say is this n, when the value of n is odd, n minus 1 by 2 can be considered as the floor value of n by 2, right? So this n by 2 is also here and n by 2 is also here. This thing is the same. Now as for the number of teams, this n by 2 is here and here we have n by 2 plus 1, right? So what I am trying to say is, let's say I have an odd number 5 and I do 5 minus 1 by 2. This is going to be 4 by 2 and that is 2. If I do 5 by 2 directly, it is going to be 2.5, and since I am talking about the floor value, I can take 2. So the value is the same in both of the cases, right? So I can replace this n minus 1 by 2 by n by 2 and then I have a plus 1. So basically that is exactly what I have done here is, so I initialize my answer with 0 for the number of matches, n is the number of teams, while n is greater than 1, that means there is at least 2 teams. What I am going to do is I am going to increment my answer value with n by 2, right? Why? I have already discussed, because this n minus 1 by 2 will be equivalent to n by 2 when the value of n is odd, right? Now again, this is also n by 2. I can also write it as directly as n by 2, right? It doesn't make any difference. The only difference is the operator that I used, right? And since I have to add 1 when the value of n is odd or the number of teams is odd, I am adding this particular expression to it. This will evaluate, this will give me 1 when the number is odd, right? So this is how you can solve this problem, and in the end you can just return your answer. So let me just quickly submit this and show you that this particular code works and the solution is absolutely correct. So you see, it passes all the test cases and the solution is correct. I hope that you guys were able to understand the solution. If you guys did, consider dropping a like on this video, and don't forget to share thoughts in the comments, because your engagement with this video really helps the YouTube algorithm to understand that this video is actually helpful for you, and it will be able to reach much more people like you who want to keep solving new problems. So that is it for today. Till the next video drops, keep coding, stay safe, bye bye.